Detox means cleansing. In the 21st century, it's an absolute necessity. The air, the water, the food are polluted, and our skin is very sensitive to this. Pimples appear on it. It becomes grey and loses its tone. And the first signs of aging, wrinkles, start to appear. Skin no longer has the glow it had when it was young. There is no balance of the skin, and there's an imbalance in all its processes. Masses of free radicals appear, which we have to fight to prevent the aging process. First of all, our skin will be very well cleansed and detoxified. Another very noticeable thing will be the brightening and filling in of the skin, or elimination of small wrinkles. The skin will be smoothed, the tone will be balanced, and it will be very much refreshed overall. Retinol is very popular nowadays. However, it's a very strong substance that can have a negative effect on the skin. Bakuchiol is a natural, plant-based substitute to retinol, a very safe substance, which has similar effects to retinol. It smooths wrinkles, balances tone, improves skin quality, firmness and elasticity. And it is also a non-photosensitizing substance. We do not need to use creams with SPF after our green clay mask because there is no such danger that the sunlight will damage our skin, as happens with retinol. Kombucha and spirulina are great antioxidants that catch and remove free radicals. These two substances also smooth our skin and provide vitamins and minerals so that all the processes can take place properly. As they did when we were very young, so the aging process cannot occur. First and foremost, it's because in both clays we have plenty of vitamins and minerals, which replenish the deficiencies in the skin. In addition, they cleanse our skin of excess sebum, thus also closing the pores and making them much less visible, so that inflammations do not occur often. The mask should be applied once every 7 to 10 days. Apply a small amount evenly over the entire face, neck and neckline if necessary. Of course, we distinguish between the different skins we are dealing with. Oily, acne-prone skin, we apply the mask to the entire face. If the acne is already healed and is toned down, and there's no inflammation, and it only appears once in a while, we can also use the mask on the spot, directly on the inflammation. If you have mixed skin, you can apply the mask to the whole face once in a while. But more often, apply it to the so-called T-zone, i.e. the forehead, nose and chin. Of course, if inflammation is present on the neck, the neckline or the back, the mask will also work well here too. During the 20 minutes that the mask is on our face, it will dry out from its creamy form and become matte. We can then moisten our hands with warm water and using gentle massage movements stimulate the mask to become emulsified again.
Pobudzić tą maskę do tego, żeby z powrotem zaczęła się nam robić taka emulsyjna.
This way, we can also gently scrub the skin.
Delikatnie spinningować. Pamiętajmy,
Just remember that if you're dealing with sensitive, cuperose skin, do not massage too intensively so as not to irritate the skin.
zbyt intensywnie, żeby tej skóry nie podrażniać. Ale
But for oily, hard, strong skin, such a scrub will be very useful.
w momencie, kiedy mamy tą maskę już z powrotem,
Once the mask is restored to an emulsion, rinse under running water, dry with a towel, apply a peptide serum, which you all know very well, and apply your favourite cream.
nakładacie swój ulubiony krem.
Biopeptide complex is a substance that we are all very familiar with, and we know that it has three main functions: moisturizing, regenerating, and rebuilding. And in this mask, all these things are preserved as well. I just love this mask. I will use it very regularly.
Bardzo systematycznie. Z jakiego
For what reason? Because it systematically restores my skin's radiance, smooths out fine lines and wrinkles, and also eliminates the discoloration I have on my skin.
dodatkowo niweluje przebarwienia, które na tej skórze mam. Przy okazji
Oh, and by the way, it smells really nice. It's simple to use.
pozwala moim
It allows my skin to be nourished and mineralized in a remarkably short time.
zwanom w bardzo krótkim czasie. Traktuję tą maskę
I treat this mask as a systematic skincare product before I go out,
przed wyjściami.
usually doing it a day ahead.
Skóra wygląda wtedy naprawdę dobrze. Polecam.